was opportunity to walk the talk. Like I said, my second degree is in political science, international relations and strategic studies. And then coming from my days, the days I was in University of Jos were very political. We have an opinion on everything that happens in politics. And then you also have this shot, you sit down in the evening and then all you're doing is analyzing politics and a whole lot of things that could have been, where this set of Nigerians that were very hopeful about the country that could be. So I think being in a appointive government position was opportunity to walk the talk. So for me, it was a position of great responsibility. And especially at that time, with my sort of personal ideology about issues, you've heard so much about bad leadership, you've heard so much about abuse of office, and then I was coming from a civil society kind of background, and then you've seen examples before you of people who got there and they were not so good examples after they have left. And then unfortunately for me, I had this set of very good mentors. I had mentors who were watching me from outside, and I had mentors who themselves were role models, and I wouldn't like to call some of their names here. So that was for me a checker, that if you mess up while you are there, there is no community to go back to, because the community you're coming from are not going to be people who will forgive you so easily. And then being a humanitarian and a development person at heart, I think it was a check. And then having my immediate family also, you have this conversation where your children are holding you accountable to your faith. You have this conversation, and so it's like it didn't leave any room for me to do anything outside the shared values of the group I was coming from.